Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Life. We're going to make a super epic windmill out of chocolate today. Isn't that fantastic? To finish this windmill, we'll need a lot of chocolate. We'll show you how to make this edible house in a detailed and straightforward, easy to follow, step-by-step tutorial. If you want to build this house, make sure you have all of the necessary ingredients on hand such as chocolate, food coloring gel, and clay carving tool. Let's watch the entire video to ensure you don't miss any steps. Okay, let's get started. To begin, use a craft knife to cut out some gray chocolate, following the video's measurements. If necessary, you can pause the video. The keys are exactness and accuracy. That's fantastic. Now take care splitting the outside bits, and if necessary, use your knife to make a deeper cut to remove it easier. After that, dip a clean sponge in thin royal icing and dab it onto the chocolate, waiting for it to dry. To make a brick wall, draw the line like this. Then add some decorations to the window. Very good. To make it even more appealing, use a small paintbrush to lightly brush black food coloring powder into the crack. And then apply the gelatin sheet to the crack with melted chocolate to create window glass. Flip it over, then pipe brow icing on top. Okay, now that we have all of the pieces, it's time to put the windmill together. Begin with a chocolate octagon that we cut earlier. Secure the wall with melted chocolate. To make it super duper pretty, the melted chocolate must be the same color as the wall. Then, as seen, make some brown chocolate sticks and glue them on. You're doing fantastic. This time, we'll use brown chocolate to make a larger octagon. Remove the extra chocolate by cutting it with a craft knife. Now comes the tricky part. Build the wood grain with a carving tool and a circular motion. Place it on top in this manner. It's fantastic. We'll need to make more parts and cut them according to the measurements shown in the video. Remove any excess chocolate, be careful with smaller bits so they don't break, cut the back of it with a craft knife if necessary, and clean the rough edges. Using a carving tool, produce a wood-like texture on the chocolate slice. Then, to make the chocolate even more realistic, brush it with yellow and black food coloring powder. It's stunning. Using melted chocolate, adhere them all together. Otherwise, the chocolate bits will fall off if you don't keep them until the molten chocolate hardens. This is fantastic. You have now completed half of the project. Continue on. Let's move on to the roof. Take a dark red chocolate and cut it according to the video's measurements. Breaking off any excess. Assemble the chocolate pieces